Right guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Irene Sap, and in case joining for the first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video. So today I'm right here. This is actually around town, and what is happening is kind of drizzling, so just want to walk home. I came to town and I'm heading home, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and watch this. Yeah, so someone had music, and what is happening is that it's too cold, guys. I even have like two sweaters, and this one super cool, and even the umbrella. So what is happening is that I came to town. I was not at home, so right now, since it has started to rain, I have decided to go back home, guys. Yeah, because something that happened at our home since Friday. Yeah, since Friday, guys. My brother has been very sick. I know I shared this to some people. No, I've not shared. I don't really remember. But right now, the situation is good. And he's already at home. So, yeah, let us go, guys, to the other side, It's drizzling, not too much, but it's super cold. Very cold, guys. Hey. Me, I tried skating Nairobi. Hey, my leg almost broke. I even have some marks because I fell down so badly, and then I stopped now. So I was trying to learn. So this is the main town, the main road actually. actually wanted to go to Kisii town today, but again it was not possible, guys, because I got held up. So I'm willing to go, but I'm planning to go to even Keroka. You know, I've never been. Like the time I was traveling from Nairobi to the village, I've never done a tour of Keroka town. I normally pass there when I'm in the vehicle. So what I'm planning to go to Keroka town, guys. It's a very big town. Even Nyamira is small than even Keroka, because I normally see some videos on YouTube, and also my brother Eric has been to Keroka. He was telling me that Keroka is big than even Nyamira. So I like to go to Keroka, do some videos, and also from Keroka I come to Kisii, because for you to go to Keroka you need to pass by Kisii town. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'm planning to do some few changes on my channel, and also, guys, I decided to open a new channel, guys. If you have not subscribed to that channel, please go subscribe, because you guys, you know, this channel has been, yes, I've been struggling too much. Like now you can get even a video in my channel which is 2 months old, and it has even less than 50 views or less than 100 views. Like for example, now I haven't handled from YouTube for 6 months or 7, something like that. No, it's almost 1 year. And I upload videos, guys, but it is maybe I'm uploading videos from the same place. Maybe people are tired. But I'm looking forward, guys, to do. Yeah, but if you haven't subscribed to my new channel, please come guys, and subscribe and support me, guys. I really will be so grateful. You know, this journey, YouTube struggle is real. It's real, guys, but it keeps going regardless. No losing hope, you know. Yes. So that is me. This is the pathwork. We call it like that, right? Yeah, but it is not like well. I told you some few days ago, Jamira, it's very serious renovations, clean up of the town, very serious ones, especially the back streets, you know. Yeah. So I have some good news. You guys, I told you about schools. On 26th the schools will be open. So far I have managed to do shopping, full everything for school. So thank you so much for the support, guys. I know someone helped me with this money, and I just decided to do the shopping. Everything is bought, everything, guys, the books, everything, guys, the shopping. And you know, you remember this term, third term, there's no mid-term. They'll go to school and they'll close around October, something. They will go for school for few days. So I did the shopping. That is about the whole term. So thank you so much. I know you'll be watching this video. You supported me in a big way, and I'm grateful, guys. Yeah, that was a nose. Yeah, they know themselves, guys. Thank you so much. I may not be able to pay you, but may the heavens bless you abundantly. So I'm looking forward to because my sister needs to be escorted to school the first opening day. Last time I escorted her, then Eric went and picked her from school, you know. So because they had the strike, so they were supposed to go with the parent. Not the strike, like there was very bad spirits roaming around the Kenyan schools. Some schools got banned. Yeah. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Dealing with kids is hard, right? Yeah. So there is also something which is going on, because it's a holiday. It is camps. You have what we call camps and seminars. I had my sister telling me they will go for the youth camp, and I'm like, okay. Even Malaki. So they were asking me to get them 200 Kenya shillings each. Their camp is next week, something like that, guys. I heard them telling me, because they go to church for practice. They went for the youth camp. And also the weekend challenge, something like that. I haven't heard a Helk saying about that, so yeah, those things normally happens during holidays. You hear even the SDA, the Seventh-day Adventist Church, they're singing on the other side. I'm in a South Camp meeting. A shop here where they sell phones. Let me go and try to ask to inquire the prices. Just want to just ask, can I see? Oh, let me just not go there because I don't have money at the moment. Instead of giving someone false hopes. The rain has stopped a little bit, and it's a very big building we built here. Yeah, so it's right here. It's actually at the back street. So guys, I'm right here. This is the main town, main road which goes to Kisii, Nairobi. And I just want to say very big thank you, because the time is over. My camera does not take good videos at night. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe the channel, like and share guys. See you in my next one guys. Bye bye.